Igama lami Ncamiso Ngakamaziya Sibongo. I'm the pastor Mangcovoza Hlabovu Lamgabha ICBC. Sibonga uNkulunkulu ngemsebenzi la wendako kule community yakaLamgabha. The church is growing so well. uNkulunkulu is working mightily in the church, in the community. Sibonga na Challenge Ministries, CLC for its support. Kuze kuthi umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu uqhubeke kahle. Sibonge nesupport. Sibone timpahla, basipha timpahla for the community. Sibone kudla for the community. Bahle basideliver every month. Think lokho kwenda ukuthi lo msebenzi kaNkulunkulu uhambe ngelitubane lelisetulu kakhulu. God is working mightily.
Angibingelele abazalwane egameni lenkosi. Ngingimake Dlamini kaLamgabha ulazikalala. Lafika leli sonto la introduce indzaba yekufundisa abantwana besikolo icreche. Awusamangala kwathiwa batawufunza abantwana ecreche. Utawubhadala leyo mali. Ayisiyo nemali enkulu bazalwane lengakusho lokusijabulise ngakho. Basho ke nokuthi umntwana nje uthi esikolweni aphethe ibhaki kuphela. Konke uthi akuthola esikolweni badle nasesikolweni. Awukwasijabulisa kakhulu lokho bazalwane. Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngifika kwalesonto. Abantwana bayadla emakhaya siyathola timpuphu, siyanikwa, siyamukeliswa nikwembatha. Labanye abantwana nje bebangafundi ngoba khona umntwana yamfaka esikolweni. Sekude imali ekumthengela uniform, sekude imali yekwentana. Konje nje neskaftin ngoba iskaftin lesibhekwa lamakhaya asikhona onke lamalanga. Kodwa eGreat Harvest bafike bapheke lo bantwana badle bafunzi. Konke lokho nje siyakubonga shimbazalwane. Cela silithandazise elibandla liqhubeke.
Ne preschool umango uyajabula kakhulu. We have a preschool that is doing so well. Siyabonga kakhulu etinini tethu letisisekelako.
Sanibonani, ligama lami nginguSandisizwe wakaMuthi. I'm the leader of the Compassionate Care Team. So what we do today, we visit emakhaya and we help emakhaya ukuthi ngetinto letihlukahlukene khanze ukuthi khona mhlambe umuntu ogulako siyamsita ekhaya. What I've seen ukuthi sisavisitor lamakhaya, they are in need vele ukuthi kube khona abantu labatabanaka. So thina that's where we come in, because as part of the church is part of the mission yethu njengelisonto ukuthi singabaniki nje kuphela leave but also help them netinvo letinye letihlukahlukene.
My name is Teacher Labile Loretta Shabang. I thank you for being our sponsor. I've seen you last year. You have helped us so much, especially with our beautiful uniform, with our very nice food we eat during break time. Emandi beside. Ngikhuluma lokho ukuthi bekwendeka imbombi icishe noma nini bantwana banganathi singakhona ukupheka kahle, but basendela umusa basifakele emanti. Please go on, keep on watching us.
Uyabona nje lesonto leli besibusiswa kakhulu bazalwane kaLamgabha lifikile. Ngiyacela lokho ukuthi inkosi yami silithandazise lichubeke ngoba siyabona lokuthi lifike lashintsha impilo debantu.